Hello everyone, we're back with a tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to add a green screen to your project. So drag a view in the timeline like this, existing settings. Have like 1/4 so it doesn't lag when you're editing, or you can render it at any time you want. So we're gonna get our green screen video, gonna drag the video that we want here. It's importing, and here is the one that you want. So we can drag it to the timeline, and we can always make it bigger if we want. We can go to effects, select it, and then scale how big you want it. So what you now want to do is go to editing, go to your effects, go to video effects, go to keying, and go to Ultra V. So press that and you have here the FX is green. So you return to effects, you grab this, the key color, you press it, and you have the effect. So now when we play the video, it has the effect. You can try it for yourself. If you have any questions, you can always ask them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.